Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Ankr coin. What's the price changes on the Ankr coin. Guys, let me show you, but before starting this video I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, in the noise, the Ankr coin is completely going negative and a lot of people are worrying about Ankr coin, that what's the future of Ankr coin. But guys, don't worry, the future of Ankr coin is safe. Now I know guys, the current time of the Ankr coin is beat time, but with the passage of time the changes will become positive and absolutely they give profit, not loss. So you can see here now from the price chart, it's clear this price jumps for very badly time, for a short time, from the last 7 days, from the last 2 months. The Ankr coin price is going to decrease every hour, day. But guys, don't lose hope. I'm still positive about Ankr coin. Guys, possibilities now, the technical analysis, the price prediction about Ankr coin tells us that possibilities that after 20 August the price start pumps, and after 20 August that is a really huge pump of the Ankr coin. That will be the huge pump. So guys, never decide to say just hold. I also told you in my many videos that don't lose hope in a cryptocurrency market. You have to wait, you have to patience. So just hold, don't decide to say. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.